Alright, just doing some routine maintenance to my plow. It's getting kind of chilly. It's about October. Might as well do some maintenance on it. So I took my cover off my plow. This is a 7 feet 6 inches HT Fisher Storm Guard. Let's see here. Let's see if I can close that up. Yeah, 7.6 HT series Storm Guard. It's a Fisher plow. Fisher Minute Mont. Yeah. Comment below if I'm doing this right, but the hinges are kind of rusty. Spray some WD-40 there on those, and of course the pistons here for hydraulics. It's getting kind of crusty. I bought this brand new. I want to say for the price of it was $499, about say $5,000. Installed another $1,000, so I want to say $6,000 to install the whole thing. But these guys are absolutely awesome. Shout out to them. These guys are good people. Did it all in I think 2 days, maybe shorter than that. And they installed properly all the wiring. So there's my wire harness. It's properly connected to the module that goes inside, and it sneaks all the way inside into my adapter for my joystick here. And you plug it right into here. I wish I got the joystick. I have another version of that. This is the one I have. I wish I had they call it a joystick. It's like it toggles back and forth. This is up, down, sideways. But this is the one I have. And it plugs in to the harness I showed you inside. Anyway, but today's episode, just doing a little routine maintenance to the plow. I kind of lubed everything up there. WD-40 everything. And the springs are getting tight. I should replace the lower ones. These are getting kind of rusty, and then if you notice, they're kind of uneven too. It's because I've been plowing other businesses in-laws, so it's taking a beating. Good size. I mean, it's quite heavy for this Tundra. I gotta almost have to counterbalance it with the sand. 250 pounds of sandbag in the back in the bed just to counterbalance it. This is about 400 pounds, give or take. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyhow, during my maintenance, I found that this light is out. We're gonna take apart this light. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and just look at this stuff too. The maintenance in this, just because it's, it sits in the front of my bumper, so it kind of hits all the water as it comes in. There's a cap on it, but I don't think it does anything. If any, probably creates stagnant water. Comment below how you guys get rid of that. Because it seems like water to be stagnant in there, and so this was the worst of them. I'll take this off. See what that shows like. So the bottom, this got all green corroded stuff all over it. I had to clean it out with like a toothpick. So I cleaned it out. I put some petroleum jelly to kind of prevent that from happening. I'll probably hit the whole automotive store to see how to like actually condition this, so that way stagnant water is not sitting in here and corroding and making it worse. So what I did was put petroleum jelly. I'm gonna put I slice a piece of glove and I'm gonna slip over this just to make sure it's kind of moisture resistant. It's not gonna be ever perfect, but that's what we're gonna do. Kind of over like that, yep. And then I'll just cap it off with this. Get some of the air out of there, like so. That's good enough. Comment below how you guys get rid of, making sure moisture doesn't go in your wire harness for your plow. Go there. All right, I'll show you how I change the light bulb for this thing. So we're gonna need a, what size is this? T20. Need a T20, fits perfectly. I got it on a 3/8 drive ratchet. I'm gonna take those out. So I took all these out, same thing. T10, T20. So 1, 2, 3, the third one there. Three of them. These should come right out. So they say. So they say. Just a little tab here. Comes it off. Yeah, it doesn't say what size bulb this is. Let's take a look. Like a snap in, so pull back. Squeeze here, pull back. It shows Lefty Loosey. See what size it is. So each 13. So we have. So we have to run to the store and get that. Grab some coffee first, and then we'll go out to the parts for plow the headlight and stuff. So, alright, just grab some coffee. Ta-da. Head over to automotive place and we'll grab parts for that. We'll change out the do the 2-for-1 deal today. All right, we'll head on over to a local automotive place. Like I said, we'll do a 2-for-1 deal. We'll get the headlights, and then we'll grab the air filter cabin. Got my coffee. Ready to go. All right, we're ready to rock and roll for the morning. All right, let's grab those parts. Hey, good morning. So here's a close-up view. We're gonna unscrew, take this off. I mean, I'm not trying to take this tab off, so I'm gonna do is kind of slither my hand here and take the tab off. We saw in the last video there. I'm gonna twist this off, lefty loosey. It comes right out. There you go. So now it's out. We're gonna replace it with a new one. Now the word in the street is you're not supposed to touch this with your bare hand, so you can avoid touching that by holding the ends of it. I'm going to screw it in first, and then put the wiring harness back in. There you go. Twist it into the right. Snap the wire harness back in. There it is. I put the screws back. The let's test it out. I usually test it out before I actually put all the screws back. Both lights is on. Perfect. All right, if you like this kind of content, you haven't already subscribed to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.